In this video, I'm going to show how to make video with pictures and music in Snapchat. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device I'm using, a Samsung Android, but you can use iPhone if you want. So, what you need to do is first log on Instagram and not on Snapchat, because we will make the video with pictures on Instagram and put the music on Snapchat. So log on Instagram. Okay, and you will make a video like that. So come on the main page, swipe to the right, come right here, put a background. In my case I use a black screen just for example, but you need to put the photo or the video that you want to put on the background. Then click on the smile face, swipe down, you will find this option with a plus icon and two images. So click on this button and select the image that you want to use. Okay, I selected this one, and you can repeat this process as many times as you want. So again, click right here. I will put just two images, two pictures, okay, but you can put as many times as you want. So click right here and click to save to your camera roll. Okay, so save and come on your Snapchat. After doing that, click on this button and click on camera roll and select the video or the photo that you saved there. In my case it is a photo. Then you just need to put the music. Okay, click right here and add the music that you want. So for example this one, I will turn off my sound just not have copyright. Then you can post your video with pictures and music in Snapchat. I hope I helped you on how to make video with pictures and music in Snapchat. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.